Hi friends, here comes Abhidarshi's All-in-One. Today I am going to show you one of the most famous mausoleum in India, that is Gol Gumbaz. Gol Gumbaz is an imposing mausoleum that displays the architectural brilliance of the bygone eras. Yes, here we reached Gol Gumbaz. This is the main entrance gate. This is the place where we have to buy entrance tickets. The entry fee are like this: 25 rupees for Indians and SAARC citizens and 300 for foreigners. And the timings are 10 am to 5 pm and closed on Fridays. And for camera, the entry fee is about 25 rupees. So we are entering into the Gol Gumbaz premises. This splendid structure has one of the biggest domes in the world. If you are planning a trip to Karnataka, make sure to keep aside some time to explore this grand structure. Looking for more details about this architectural wonder? This vlog has everything you should know about Gol Gumbaz, including its history, architecture, timings, entry fee and other interesting facts. From far distance it looks like a single structure, but it is not a single structure. This is the first gate. In this museum is located. This museum showcases an interesting collection of paintings, Chinese parchments, carpets and other artifacts. And the entry fee for this museum is 5 rupees per head and no entry for the camera inside the museum. These are some of the weapons placed outside the museum. And these are placed outside the museum like this. Now we are moving towards the second gate. Today Gol Gumbaz stands as one of the most significant heritage monuments in India, maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. This monument is sometimes referred to as the Taj Mahal of South India. It attracts a steady stream of visitors from far and near due to its spellbinding architecture and unique acoustic features. We are entering into the second gate. This is the main structure of Gol Gumbaz. Gol Gumbaz is one of the finest examples of the Deccan Indo-Islamic style of architecture. It is believed that the dome of Gol Gumbaz is the second largest in the whole world, the largest one being the dome of St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. The mausoleum hall boasts of an area 18,000 square feet, which marks it as one of the world's largest single-chamber spaces. Another impressive aspect of this structure is that there are no towers or pillars that provide support to the huge dome, which is an architectural marvel in itself. The dome, on the other hand, is held by 8 intersecting arches from the inside. The name Gol Gumbaz has been derived from the words Gol Gumbad or Gol Gumata, which means a dome in the circular shape. Since the most prominent feature of the structure is its giant circular dome, it came to be known as such. This is the inner structure of the Gol Gumbaz. Today's additional informative topic is about jamun or black plum. The health benefits of jamun fruit are: it is loaded with vitamin C, it eliminates bad breath, treats diabetes, and it is a natural blood purifier, helps in weight loss, gives you a radiant skin, and it is an excellent immunity booster, prevent cancer causing cells, and improves cardiovascular health, cures liver disorders, increases appetite and treats constipation, helps to maintain healthy voice, stimulates nervous system and increases memory, treats bladder issues and cures renal stone conditions, treats acidity and nausea, helps to increase hemoglobin count, and reduces the DNA damage caused by radiation. Now we are moving towards the steps. To enter into the Whispering Gallery, we have to climb all these steps. This is a 7-storied building. We have to climb all the 7 stories to enter into the Whisper Gallery. The steps of this monument are very high and they are very narrow. We have to climb very carefully. Now you can see these steps. The Gol Gumbaz of Bijapur was designed by Yaqut of Dabul and has been built using dark grey basalt. Reaching a height of 51 meters, Bijapur ka Gol Gumbaz has 4 7-story high dome-capped towers adorning its 4 sides. The Gol Gumbaz is not just a mausoleum, as it stands testament to the splendor of Adil Shahi rule in southern India. He ruled Bijapur in 17th century. In 1626, when he had just ascended the throne, Adil Shah decided that he wanted to build himself a mausoleum that was bigger and grander than the memorial for his father and began constructing the Gol Gumbaz. It's really very difficult to climb all these steps at a time, so people take rest in between. Yes, finally we reached the 7th floor. This is the upper view of the Gol Gumbaz. However, it was 30 years later in 1656, after Muhammad Ali Shah had taken his last breath, the structure was finally completed. The Gol Gumbaz houses the mortal remains of the Sultan, his 2 wives Taz Jahan Begum and Arus Bibi, his daughter, grandson and his mistress Rambha. In the middle of the podium is a cenotaph slab that marks the actual tomb of Sultan Muhammad Ali Shah. Now we are entering into the Whispering Gallery. Any sound made here gets echoed at least 7 times or more. When you are inside the Whispering Gallery, you can hear even the softest of sounds from the other side of the monument. This phenomenon is attributed to the impressive acoustics of the structure. The echo will repeat up to 7 to 10 times. Another interesting aspect of this structure is that there are no towers or pillars that provide support to the huge dome, which is an architectural marvel in itself. Now you can enjoy the huge dome of this Gol Gumbaz. Here is the space provided for the Whispering Gallery. Now you can hear the whispering voices. This is the exit way. During the summers, the region tends to get very hot and dry, which does not make for very comfortable weather to enjoy sightseeing. The monsoons can be a good time to tour the Bijapur Gol Gumbaz, but the heavy rains may still put a damper on your plans. That being said, during the months from October to the end of March, the state experiences temperature ranging from 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. The pleasant weather can elevate your Bijapur Gol Gumbaz sightseeing experience even further. You do not have to be an architecture enthusiast to appreciate the splendor of this popular mausoleum. Running between Mysore and Solapur and passing via Bijapur is the Gol Gumbaz Express, a train which has been named after this very monument. The monument is sometimes also referred to as the Taj Mahal of South India or the Black Taj Mahal. This is attributed to the fact that its architecture was inspired by the Taj Mahal in Agra. See here, there are beautiful parrots. Covering an area of 18,000 square feet, the mausoleum is also one of the world's largest single-chamber spaces. Kids enjoying while moving down from 7th floor to 1st floor through these steps. Yes, finally we reached the 1st floor. Here is one more underground floor. You can watch through this. I think you people enjoyed my Gol Gumbaz vlog and also known so many interesting facts about Gol Gumbaz. Don't forget to share my videos to your friends and family members. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.